Hello guys, welcome to yet another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekan Israel, your Prepclass English tutor, and I am super excited to have you join me in today's session of learning. Now in today's session, we will be answering question 46 to question 50 from the Jamb English 2017 past question. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming Jamb examination. So, without wasting much time, let's get down to the business of the day. Before we begin, kindly take a moment to subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notifications so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's roll. Now, for question 46 to 50, we have an instruction here. The instruction reads, in each of the questions 46 to 50, choose the option that best completes the gap or gaps as the case may be. In each of the questions 46 to 50, choose the option that best completes the gap or gaps. That is, more than one option can actually complete the gap, but we have to choose the best option, the best that completes the gap. Alright, question 46 reads, the police claim that a number of stolen cars recovered. The police claim that a number of stolen cars recovered. A. The police claim that a number of stolen cars have been recovered. B. The police claim that a number of stolen cars has been recovered. C. The police claim that a number of stolen cars has been recovered. D. The police claim that a number of stolen cars have been recovered. So which of these options is the best to complete this gap? Now, the answer to this question is option A. The police claim that a number of stolen cars have been recovered. The police claim that a number of stolen cars have been recovered. Technically, a number of means many. Whenever you say a number of something, it means many. So we are saying the police claim that many cars have been recovered, many stolen cars have been recovered. Because technically, a number of means many. When number is used in a sentence and it is immediately followed by of. Now we have number followed by of in this sentence. When number is used in a sentence and it is immediately followed by of, a plural verb should be used when preceded by an indefinite article. When number is used in a sentence and it is followed by of, a plural verb should be used when preceded by an indefinite article. Now, the plural verb to use in this sentence is have. Because we have an indefinite article preceding number. A is the indefinite article. Now, been is a past tense verb. Been, B-E-N, is a past tense verb. So it is the appropriate choice of verb to be used with have. So the sentence would be, the police claim that a number of stolen cars have been recovered. Have is a plural verb. Been is a past tense verb. Recovered is a past tense verb. So this is the answer to this question, have been. The police claim that a number of stolen cars have been recovered. Remember we said that technically a number of means many. So we can actually still say that the police claim that many stolen cars have been recovered. So the answer to this question is option A, have been. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 47. Remember we had to select the option that best completes this gap. Question 47 reads, the old man was rushed to hospital when his blood pressure dropped to a dash level. The old man was rushed to hospital when his blood pressure dropped to a dash level. When his blood pressure dropped to a dangerously lowly level. That's option A. Option B. When his blood pressure dropped to a dangerous lowly level. Option C. When his blood pressure dropped to a dangerously low level. Option D. When his blood pressure dropped to a dangerous low level. So which of these options is the best to complete this sentence? Now, the answer to this question is option C, dangerously low. The old man was rushed to hospital when his blood pressure dropped to a dangerously low level. It dropped to a low level, which made him to be rushed to the hospital. So, what we want to know is how low his blood pressure dropped. How low did the old man's blood pressure drop? His blood pressure dropped to a dangerously low level. That is what an adverb of manner. How low did his blood pressure drop? Dangerously low level. Low is an adjective. Dangerously is the adverb that modifies the adjective low. The old man was rushed to the hospital when his blood pressure dropped to a low level. How low did the old man's blood pressure drop? It dropped to a dangerously low level. So the answer is option C, dangerously low. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 48. Remember, we had to select the option that best completes this sentence, the option that best completes the gap. Question 48 reads, his father hardly misses the news because he goes about with his dash. His father hardly misses the news because he goes about with his dash. A, pointable. B, portable. C, portable. D, portable. Now, the difference between options B, C, and D is the spellings. Option B, portable, P-O-T-T-A-B-L-E. Option C, portable, P-O-T-A-B-L-E. Option D, portable, P-O-R-T-A-B-L-E. So which of these options is the best to fill the gap in this sentence? Now, the answer to this question is option D, portable. P-O-R-T-A-B-L-E. A portable refers to a smaller version such as a television or a radio that can be carried about. I'll go over that again. A portable refers to a smaller version such as a television or a radio that can be carried about. So his father hardly misses the news because he goes about with his portable, his small radio or a small television set, a very small one, portable that can be carried about. So the answer is option D. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 49. Remember, we had to select the option that best completes the gap in this sentence. Question 49 reads, Olu brought his clothes and those of his dash. Olu brought his clothes and those of his dash. A, senior brothers. B, elder brothers. C, elder brothers. D, senior brother. So which of these options is the best to complete the gap in this sentence? The answer to this question is option B, elder brothers. That is, the older siblings of Olu, more than one of them though. Elder brothers. Maybe Olu came with his clothes and those of 3 of his elder brothers. This means that Olu did not bring only his clothes. He also came with those of his older male siblings. Those of his older male siblings, not that of his older male sibling. One, no. Those of his older male siblings. That is his elder brothers. Now, senior is a wrong adjective to use with either brothers or sisters. So saying senior brother or senior sister is a wrong word because senior is a wrong adjective to use with either brothers or sisters. You should use older or elder. The appropriate should be either older or elder. So options A, senior brothers is, and option D, senior brother, are both wrong. Option A, senior brothers is has the apostrophe S. That is wrong. Option C is wrong. Option C, elder brothers is wrong because of the use of the apostrophe S, which is used to show possession. Option C would have been right if we said Olu brought his clothes and his elder brothers. That is those of his elder brothers. But we have and those of his. So using elder brothers would make it a repetition, a tautology. So the appropriate answer, the best option to complete this sentence is option B, elder brothers. This means that Olu did not only bring his clothes, he also came with those of his older male siblings, his elder brothers. That is, Olu has what? More than one elder brother. He came with the clothes of his elder brothers. The answer is option B. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 50. Remember, we had to select the option that best completes the gap in this sentence. Question 50 reads, our neighbor was attracted by the dash. A, flavor. B, stench. C, scent. D, aroma. So which of these options is the best to fill the gap in this sentence? Now, the answer to this question is option D, aroma. Because aroma refers to a distinctive, typically pleasant smell. A distinctive, typically pleasant smell. A pleasant smell. So probably as we were cooking in our house, our neighbor was attracted because of the aroma. The distinctive, typical, pleasant smell. Now, it is not flavor. Because flavor refers to the distinctive taste of a food or drink. Now, our neighbor has not tasted the food yet, so he cannot know about the flavor of the food. The flavor of a food or a drink can only be gotten after it has been tasted. Now, it is not stench. Stench is a strong and a very unpleasant smell. You cannot be attracted by a stench. Now, scent is also a distinctive, pleasant smell. So what is the difference between aroma and scent? Why is aroma the best option to fill the gap in this sentence and not scent? Since aroma refers to a distinctive, typically pleasant smell, and also scent is a distinctive, pleasant smell. Why is aroma the answer? Now, aroma seems to be the more natural word for describing blends of food and spice. When you're describing food and spice, aroma is the best word to use, while scent seems to be more apt for describing the natural smell of a plant or animal. Like every animal has its peculiar scent. So, to describe food or spice, aroma is appropriate. To describe the natural smell of plants and animal, scent is appropriate. So the answer to this question is option D, aroma. Our neighbor was attracted by the aroma. We were cooking a very sumptuous meal in our house, and our neighbor was attracted by the aroma, the distinctive, pleasant smell of the food. Alright, and with that, we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Also, share this content with your friends and loved ones. We will also connect with you on WhatsApp. You can check for the link to our WhatsApp group in the description of this video. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.